Hi guys, it's time to repair the door of the fridge because it's broken. I think so. It's nice. It's so hard. It's so hard to put the buttons. Okay. Now it's so very nice. So I want to mix the epoxy. I have two epoxy. This is the hardener, and then this the second, the AB, A and B. This is the epoxy and then hardener. It's very fast to dry. Wait, my God, what happened? Wait, di naman siya sobrang gwapo. Oh my God. So the problem of this, see, look, it's I do rectify. I put this steel and then this button. See, it's nice. I put the rivets, and then now the rivets I don't like to see this, so I have the cover for that one. You see, nice, right? And then after this one I put epoxy this crap. Mm, that is the technique of the Filipino. The Filipino is number one. No need to spend the money of the boss, right? If you know how to fix, it's easy. Then you learn everything. You know, in my house, in my country, the Philippines, everything I can repair. But now here in UAE, I cannot do this. Some like a welding, carpenter, here also the engine. If there is a problem, I can do only cleaning, like you know, to check the. I will use this stick.